You can put underneath your watermelon straw, wood chip, cardboard, a basket, or my personal favorite, newspaper. I love using newspaper because it is cheap and easy to get and it does the job well. I do not have personal experience using the other things that I listed, but I've heard very good things about them, so I definitely think they're worth a try if you just don't want to use newspaper, or maybe you got a whole basket lying around that you can use. Make sure to keep an eye on your melons, particularly after it rains, because you may need to change out the newspaper if it's all sopping wet. Newspaper is also just a good mulch in general for many reasons, one of them being that it breaks down and adds good organic matter to the soil. So actually don't be shy, you can spread out more newspaper. Keeping the watermelon off direct soil helps to prevent rot and does kind of keep some pests from getting at them. As you can see with my beautiful, gorgeous, super large watermelon, I have a little more protection. This is to keep the rabbits and the deer from chewing on them. So yes, those are some of the things that you can put underneath your growing melons to help them. My favorite, of course, being newspaper. I absolutely have used it for many years and it always works good. I hope you found this video helpful, but now it's time to say goodbye. Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye. Goodbye. Always remember to be happy. I'm buzzing away. Woo!
Go with Ozzie, quit the bee, and learn some gardening. Plants, flowers, it doesn't matter, we'll get better. It's only the beginning now, so let's sow our seeds and pluck the weeds, and let the sun do the rest.